Morning guys, June 3rd, 2026. I got a call from one of the daycares. One of the ACs in the basement isn't working. So I know what unit it is down there and go by and take a look at it. Systems have been modified on this building quite a bit, and old shit and old stuff going on here, but I know it has a condensate pump that has a switch on it. Could be that. Shutting the unit off. There's a condensate pump down there that has a safety switch on it. I've had problems with that in the past. It's a possibility. Used to have zone dampers, but the zone dampers have been taken out and it's running wild now with no zone dampers. I'm not sure which condenser. There's quite a few condensers out there in the back. I'm not sure which one goes to that one. I'll figure it out. Pretty hot today. It's probably 80 something degrees out maybe. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there if I can. Unit here. Fan's running. This is not a problem. There's no extra water in here. It's not like this is full. So that's not the problem. Fan's running. What do we got here? This is a 5-ton unit. I don't think it's running outside. No, it's not. The outside unit's not running. This is a 5-ton Goodman. I know where that is outside. We'll find it. This is the unit here. I'd like to take this flipping cage down if I could. Get to it from this side. To it from this way, I guess. Open it up and see what's going on with it. Probably a capacitor or something. I got voltage coming in, but no 24 volts. No 24 volts coming to it. I don't see anything that's everything's in this casing. Huh. For some reason I got no power going out to yellow, pulling the condenser in, so we're going to take this apart. Just lost power. Thermostat should still be calling though. It's got batteries in it, right? I think so. It should still be calling. Switch. Shaker. Alright, this is yellow. So this brown, the power goes into the yellow and then comes out to that must be the red. Yeah, the red goes up through the switch, and then it comes back to this yellow. Let's see if we got power on the yellow. Yellow and the white going outside. thermostat is either not wired right. Something's up with the thermostat. This red and common, it should be 24 volts. Meter's no good. It could be my meter's no good too. Nothing. Could we just put the thin shit to bed and get another meter? That's fine, the fuse is fine. That's not a problem. I know that's working. My meter might be junk. Let me get another meter. Bad. I checked the thermostat, that seems to be okay. The newer thermostat. Let's see. See if this is working. Volt AC. Let's see. I go to common and fan. We know the fans work because that's running. Nothing. That's looking weird. Stuff, for some reason the neutral's no good here. Power here, because this thing's running. Yeah, I got power. I got power there, but nothing to these breaker things. I should have power going to this yellow, and I got nothing. Might be a bad board there. Stops. In this board here, this bad, this white rod, this board. And that's what's the problem. The fan's running all the time here for some reason. I don't even have the wire hooked up to it, and the fan's running. It's the power. The power's going to that, so it's going to be a bad board. I got no power. I got power at the fuse, but I got no power at this disconnect. Nothing. What do we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blinks. Six flashes means open rollout. Open rollout, 6 flashes. Well, let's see if we... Open rollout. There's a rollout here. That one was a problem. That one was out. The rollout switch. All right, let's see if I got power now to it. Should be power going to this thing. Let's see. Yep, I got power to it now. Oh, ain't that funky, man? That's weird. I'll put this back together. It should work. That roll-up switch was keeping it kicked out. That's funky, man. That's real funky. Feel it. See a spark. Let's see what we got here. We got 25 volts there now. Let's see what we got at the yellow. 25 volts at the yellow. That rollout switch was keeping it tripped. That rollout switch was keeping it from coming on. Isn't that funky? See if this other meter's still good. It's really funky, man. Let's see. Compressor should be running now. That's really weird. Common. Yep, I got this meter still working. That rollout switch right there was tripped. And that was keeping it open long, being energized. This heat is on this downstairs. I don't know why the heat would be on this room. About 1 inch. Running now. It was. That's a freaky one. This heat's been running here. It's off now. They had a window unit and it was turning the heat on. So I had to shut the thermostat off. But the window unit was turning the heat on in that room. None of these other ones are running. Only that one was running. We fixed that. Alright, so this is working now. coming back nice and cold. This is going out warm. Alright, can put this back together now. Is that funky? That's weird. I don't know what tripped that rollout switch, but I got cooling now. That's funky, man. Alright, when you shut the unit off like that, you won't. Yeah, so that rollout switch was keeping this whole board from turning on. I thought that was kind of funky, man. Really funky. Really weird. Wake up. Okay, so I had to reset the rollout switch to reset the board so the AC could run. That was a flippin' weird one. This zone also, I had to play around with this zone and find out why it was running. Never a dull moment.